Hello and welcome to my channel. This is Sandy and this is the Sister Cousin Lifestyle channel. Today I'm going to be talking about a topic that I don't typically talk about. It is about bras and an alternative to the traditional bra. So this is the CoFit sundress bra. That's what they're known for, but I wanted it not for sundresses or whatever because I have to wear a traditional bra for that. But this gives me another alternative, and I wanted to share it with you in case this is something that you would be interested in. So even though they're for like sundresses, that's kind of what their claim to fame is. It says here a game changer for sundresses. That's not where I needed it or wanted it. I wanted it because there are times where I have come home and gotten comfortable, and ladies, you know what I mean. You take off certain garments because you're home. You can't wait to get home to get out of it. But then, you know, you remember I need to go get the mail or somebody's coming to the door or whatever is going on. And you don't want to go through that whole process of putting said garments back on. So that's why this caught my attention. And it's the CoFit, but basically it's just two loose forms that you take and you put them over your breast, and they clasp in the middle just like a bra that would fit in the middle. And you put this on. So it just kind of clasps just like I don't even know if they still make those bras that clasp in the front, but back in the day, that was a thing. And this is how they look. This is how it looks. But you put that on, it gives you the lift. It kind of takes away that free flowingness, if you will, that you would have without any type of undergarment on like that. But it allows you to then, you know, do what you need to do without going through that whole process of putting on undergarments. So it's only $12.95. It's on Amazon. So I said I'll give them a try. And they actually work, and they tell you in the instructions like how you can kind of lift your breasts to put them on, to give yourself lift, to give yourself cleavage if you want to do all that. I'm not looking to do any of that. I just simply wanted a solution for if I need to go outside, or sometimes I might just want to be out on my deck but my neighbor's out or something, or maybe I'm grilling so I'm standing up. You know, you just kind of need to have, you know, certain things going on. So just thought I would come on and share these. But this is what it is. It's got some easy care instructions for washing them. You just basically just rinse off the cups under some warm water, and rinse them with the warm water, and let the adhesive bra cups air dry. And you put them away in the little box with the plastic film for the next time. So this is the plastic film that comes on there. You just kind of stick it on there. Now I have tried these and they actually stick, and that's a good thing. So that's what you're looking for. It also comes with these if you're, you know, wanting to do that. These are just for the nipples if you want to do that. I don't want to get flagged by YouTube, so I'm not going to talk about that too much. But basically, yeah, that is it. Just thought I would share. They come in sizes A through E, so they have a pretty wide range. And then the colors are kind of like a blush color, or I guess a nude, I guess I should say, and then a pink color, and then the color that I have. Those are the three colors. And so yeah, so far so good. I'm liking it. For what I purchased them for, I think it's cool. And for me, it's a lot cheaper than the price of a bra. Not that I would be using it in replacement of one, but that's it. CoFit, CoFit. So just thought I would share that. That's all I have. I hope this video was helpful to some of you if you are looking for that alternative to not having to go through all that rigmarole when you need to step outside. That is a good alternative. If you're not a member of my channel, I wish that you would subscribe. I would love to have you over here. I talk about all types of things relative to the mature woman. So if that's something that you're interested in, or you're into home decor, shopping hauls, thrift hauls, vacation vlogs, this is probably a channel that you would enjoy, and I would definitely enjoy having you over here. So please be sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and I will see you back here next time. Bye-bye.